Hello! Thank you for joining the SOLIDWORKS community. We are so glad to have you. You are joining millions of users who trust SOLIDWORKS to bring their designs to life and enable their innovation. Our mission is to fuel your business success and empower your creativity. Now that you are a member of the SOLIDWORKS family, our goal is to make you as successful as possible. To this end, you have immediate access to a few resources, which you'll want to explore right away. First, your local value-added resellers, who provide training, services, and a trusted partnership. Second, mysolidworks.com. This is the online focal point of the SOLIDWORKS community. Third, for our subscription service customers, there are exclusive benefits that keep you current and competitive. Stay tuned over the next 5 minutes and see how you can maximize the value of your SOLIDWORKS investment. Also, please make sure your colleagues know how to make use of these resources as well. Once again, welcome to SOLIDWORKS. We can't wait to see the innovations you will bring to market.
According to our users, the most important benefit of subscription services is continual access to new releases and service pack upgrades. As a subscription services member, you're automatically entitled to the latest annual releases of SOLIDWORKS, as well as incremental service packs throughout the year. The SOLIDWORKS R&D team is constantly improving your software, and over 90% of their work is driven by your priorities. Whether it's a community-requested enhancement, patching in new functionality and supported file formats, or a project to maximize performance and reliability, SOLIDWORKS is always evolving. New versions bring powerful new functionality, and having the latest release means you'll always be able to work with any client or partner. For early adopters, subscription gives you access to early visibility service packs and major versions.
It's nice having that subscription support. You can download the updates, you can go through everything, can test all the tools and everything that we have and make sure that it's going to function properly.
They're giving us necessary updates and necessary enhancements to the program, so we're not stuck waiting for an entire year to fix something that's causing us problems today.
And to have a company as big as SOLIDWORKS, value what the customers want and actually incorporate that into the software, and it's comforting to know that they care that much about what they're giving out to people.
For the true SOLIDWORKS experts, we also invite our members to take part in our annual beta program, which gets you hands-on with the next release, as well as connect you directly with our R&D teams. As a subscription services member, you now have full access to live technical support from your local SOLIDWORKS value-added reseller. Your local partner has an extensive team of technical talent, certified in all things SOLIDWORKS, who are ready to assist you whether it's via web or phone. As a user, technical support gets you fast explanations of capabilities, answers about features or settings, best practices around installations or upgrades, and anything else you're scratching your head over. Spend less time searching for answers and more time designing. Subscription services unlocks access to critical customer portal resources. Exploring these links, you'll find resources that truly maximize your SOLIDWORKS experience. Here, you'll find a complete set of software downloads to get the latest or previous versions of SOLIDWORKS. Our knowledge base has been meticulously curated by certified SOLIDWORKS experts, filled with in-depth info and resources such as solutions, help topics, best practices, administrative guides, and technical presentations, ensuring everything is available, relevant, and timely. Also available on the customer portal is the CAD admin dashboard. This provides a comprehensive view of your company's assets and software performance. With subscription services, you have a loud voice to our product management teams through enhancement requests. Like I mentioned, 90% of our enhancements are community-driven. Being a subscription services member gives you access to My SOLIDWORKS, the focal point of the online SOLIDWORKS community. You receive exclusive access to an ever-growing library of video-based training lessons and courses on demand. Night or day, tablet, phone, or desktop, no matter what you need or when you need it, use this site as your learning and search engine for all things SOLIDWORKS. Get answers to specific questions or expand your horizons more broadly by browsing the buzz of insights from our countless users and technical experts within our community. Discussion forums connect you to other SOLIDWORKS users out there doing similar things. And guess what? They're excited to talk to you.
Being a global organization, we have bars that we use in different regions all around the world, supporting 3 different divisions and 40 different business units. These bars always have great training available. They're always there if someone has a first-level application support question. They can send them an email, they can make a quick phone call, they can get instant information.
You're not just buying software. You're buying a community and a network to help you, kind of get through any fears that you might have with transitioning to 3D.
The user community is very helpful. You can jump on blogs, on community websites, and you can get answers to pretty much any question you need.
You want a team that's proficient, fast, and extremely comfortable with SOLIDWORKS design solutions. Leverage the popularity of the SOLIDWORKS certification program to develop your team and search for the next great member to recruit. New in 2020, we have expanded our certification offer to provide you with even more access than ever before. As a subscription services member, you now have access to 15 of the 17 SOLIDWORKS Certified Associate, Professional, and Specialty exams, all to validate user proficiency. Build your team skills by selecting 1 exam from 3 main categories, twice a year, January through June, and then again from July to December, for every seat of SOLIDWORKS on subscription. As of the end of 2019, there are over 400,000 certified SOLIDWORKS users around the world. Take this chance to solidify your standing in the SOLIDWORKS community. With subscription services, you also have complimentary access to more applications which help extend the value of your 3D models. Ever needed to produce marketing quality imagery of your design work? Included in your subscription is access to SOLIDWORKS Visualize Standard. This rendering tool is fast, easy, and fun. You can create photo quality images that are ready for production, or let your creative teams go to town. SOLIDWORKS Visualize is a standalone application that can be used by anyone in your company, from design to marketing. No matter who you're trying to impress with your designs, Visualize seriously ups your game from CAD screenshots or traditional photography. Need to run a 2D cutter or a 2.5-axis mill? You can do this directly from your part model with SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard, also included as part of your subscription service membership. SOLIDWORKS CAM is a knowledge-based machining tool that links to both your model geometry and your applied tolerances. Prepare your designs for manufacturability earlier in the development cycle and reduce the cost and time of programming. Manufacturing tasks that had to wait until the design was complete can now be performed in parallel with your design process.